Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at the market site in Times Square, New York City, we have Sungjung Kim. She's the head of business development over at Cindicator. We're going to take a look at the different kinds of investment products that are emerging in the cryptocurrency space. It's great to have you with us. Welcome to Market Site. And there really are a number of markets that are starting to mature within the cryptocurrency space, and you're seeing more products emerge because of that.
Yeah, of course. Today, the crypto industry is much more mature than even just a year ago. So a variety of new investment products are emerging in the crypto space. For instance, regulated derivatives, including options trading that were launched very recently across different exchanges. Margin trading, futures contract, leverage, they've been around for a while, but now it's much more available to a wider user base. And of course, there's an increase in institutional partners actually participating in the market. More and more traditional banks are looking at providing crypto to their client, and that makes sense as crypto is an uncorrelated asset to stocks and commodities.
Well, you're seeing that algo-traded quant strategies are actually showing a better track record versus than just simply holding Bitcoin.
Definitely. So this year, crypto market has been really good for professional traders and investors. You can't just generate 1,000% return on Bitcoin just by holding it like in 2017. In 2019, the quantitative strategies have performed really well. On average, there's been a return of 30%, outperforming both fundamental and opportunistic investment managers.
Let's learn more about the Cindicator Hybrid Intelligence Platform. This is interesting. You ask 140,000 analysts to predict the price movements of crypto assets. Tell us, how does that work, and what do you do with all that data that you've collected?
So Cindicator, we merged wisdom of crowd, as you mentioned, with AI to predict the financial market. So these 140,000 analysts, they are actually the discretionary traders themselves who drive the market. So they make forecasts about the market on our mobile app, and we aggregate this data, we run it through our machine learning to enhance the prediction, and we generate price indicators, like, for example, Bitcoin is going to reach 9,000 by tomorrow, and there's a 90% probability. So these price indicators are distributed to our token holders, and also the analysts are rewarded in CND tokens if they make an accurate forecast. So it's like an ecosystem that's incentivized, and this is a very alternative source of data that gives the edge in terms of creating unique investment strategies.
How accurate have they been with their predictions?
Well, we noticed that we've run this for like 5 years now, and we consistently see the accuracy ranging around 60 to 70%.
Yeah, it's really interesting to see how Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies trade, because it is a very crowd-based trade, as you were saying before.
Yep, definitely. So, well, every crypto hedge funds are competing for reliable source of data, and this alternative source of data with our own trading platform worked really well for us when it came to launching our crypto quant fund.
All right, Sungjung, thanks so much for joining us at Market Site, and thank you for joining me on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.